Today, we're going to talk about characteristics. You know, the way people are.
7! Chip, are you playing or what?
I've been thinking.
Yuck! Another snake. What have you been thinking?
Wouldn't it be nice to get a pet for Gran? You know, to keep her company. A pet?
For Gran?
Brilliant idea! I say we should get her a horse.
She has to be joking.
No, Biff.
Yes, definitely a horse. She'd love that.
As I was saying, we're all different. I mean, just listen to Biff. She's stubborn.
We must get her one.
Whereas Dad...
What about a lion? Roar! Roar!
Dad is funny. As for me, I vote we should get Gran a lovely little kitten. But then, I'm sensible.
What's sensible about voting for a kitten?
I think Gran's rather old to have a pet.
No, she isn't, Mum. Oh, please, let's give her a horse to ride.
Biff, Gran can't possibly ride a horse at her age.
Hello! Gran!
If she can ride a motorbike, she can ride a horse.
Mother, you must be careful.
Just because I'm old doesn't mean I can't ride a motorbike.
And it doesn't mean you can't have a pet either. Does it, Gran?
A pet? What a good idea.
How about a sweet little kitten?
A kitten? Oh, why would I want one of those? What I'd really like is one of those.
What?
Not everyone likes playing with toys, but we're not all made the same, are we? Take Andy, my mate next door. Andy is always noisy. Noisy and naughty. Now, that cat there, she's slinky and sleepy. And that squirrel, ouch! Ooh. That squirrel is cheeky. As for me, well, apart from being kind, intelligent, generous, wise, handsome, brave, I'm also very floppy.
Here you are, Floppy. Be good while we all look round.
Now, this is what I call a great day out.
No, Chip, I don't want a kitten. I've seen exactly what I want over there.
Are you sure, Gran?
Absolutely.
A snake won't be nearly as sweet and cuddly as a little fluffy kitten or a puppy.
Chip, whatever makes you think that I want something sweet and cuddly?
I do wish she'd at least choose a pet without fangs. Oh, well, if I must go on another adventure, this bone's coming with me.
Oh, what have we here? I'm Cutesy Kit.
A talking cat.
If you're looking for Mrs. Barking, she's up there.
Ooh, not as cutesy as she looks, if you ask me.
Hello there! I'm Barking, Brenda Barking. Welcome to my animal rescue centre.
I'm Chip. This is my Gran, and this is...
Ah, I see you brought me a poor little stray dog.
No, he's not a stray.
Nothing a bit of puppy love can't fix. Don't you worry. Come on in and meet Tom and Dick. You'll adore them.
I'm Tom. It's so nice to meet you.
And I'm Dick. Oh, what lovely ears you have.
Hey, dogs with taste. And they can talk too.
I shall call you Harry.
Harry?
Aren't they little dears? And they're both as good as gold.
They're lovely.
Harry will have a marvellous time with them until I find him a new home.
A new home?
That's what we're here for. Don't worry. He's in safe hands now. You have a look round. I'll be with you in a minute.
We can't leave Floppy.
We're not going to, dear. We'll be back after we've seen the other animals. I'd like to see if there's a nice snake here I can adopt. Enjoy yourself.
Come on, Trippy Jaws, give us your bone. Drop it, Sloppy Chops. I said drop it.
I brought Harry. What in the world has been going on in here?
It's Harry. He just started throwing his bone about. We couldn't stop him.
Poor Harry. He's a wild dog.
His dad was a wolf, you know.
Quiet! There's only one thing to do with a dog like you. Right. I'll go and fetch a muzzle to stop him from doing any more damage.
Oh, aren't you beautiful?
Beautiful? That horrid thing. I call him Slimy Simon.
But he isn't slimy at all. And I bet he's got a lovely nature.
He's locked up because yesterday when I left him with the pups, he wrecked the kitchen. That's the trouble with snakes. You just can't trust them.
I didn't do it, you know. Mrs. Barking believes everything the puppies say because they look so sweet.
Well, I'm letting you out of here.
Gran! Look who I've got. Gran!
Oh, it's so good to get out of that tank.
Gran? What are you doing?
Come on, Chip. We're going to see what those puppies are up to.
There's no way we're taking the blame for this, Flubberface.
No, you are.
Chew the rope, Dick. Quick.
Those little monsters. I'm going in to rescue Floppy.
No, Gran. Mrs. Barking thinks those puppies are sweet. She's got to see what they're really like or she'll blame Floppy.
Hello, I'm back. You'll never guess who this is for. Oh, whatever are you doing with that vile viper?
He's not vile.
But those two are.
Never had so much fun. And when the old girl gets back, she'll think it's all Harry's fault.
Hold it right there. The old girl is back.
Oh, thank goodness you're here.
Just look at what he's done. We couldn't stop him.
Don't you expect me to believe that? I saw you with my own eyes, you lying, cheating little mugwumps. Come here, you. And as for you, I'll give you, old girl. That'll teach you a lesson, you wicked little beasts. Whoever would have thought that two pups who looked so sweet could be so unbelievably horrible? Here, Harry, if ever a dog deserved an enormous bone, it's you.
Hey, the key's glowing.
Oh, my bone won't be so big when I get it home. We're going!
Where's Gran? What has she chosen? Good heavens!
I think I'll call him Simon.
Don't worry, he's not as scary as he looks.
Let's all go home and you can get to know him properly. Who's a pretty boy, then? And suddenly, the big bad wolf burst through the door.
Hello, Grandma. I'm the big bad wolf, and I've come to eat you up.
And Grandma said, "Oh no, help! I'm a poor little feeble old Grandma. Please don't eat me up." Oh, for goodness sake, why does Grandma have to be so weak and feeble? Because she's old. Well, I'm old, and I'm certainly not like that. Let me have a go.
Glad I'm not playing the wolf.
Let's try again. Off you go, Wilma. And suddenly, the big bad wolf burst through the door.
Hello, Grandma. I'm the big bad wolf, and I've come to eat you up.
How dare you just march in here?
Because I'm the big bad wolf. Grrr.
Don't be so ridiculous. Do you think I'm going to be frightened of a silly little wolf like you?
Oh, well, maybe not.
Certainly not.
But I thought you were a feeble old grandma.
Well, you can think again. I may be old, but I'm as tough as old boots. Now then, enough talk about eating me up. How about we both have a biscuit?
Biscuit? Did someone say biscuit?
And from that moment on, Grandma and the big bad wolf became great friends. Woo, woo.
I'm thinking of the letters that make up two words. And these two words are really special because they can stop everything. They are two very powerful and important words. I've got a T.
I've got an H. I've got an E.
And I've got an E.
I've got an N.
What are the two important words that stop everything?
The N.
Something's missing.
Oh,